How to borrow money from Cash App. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In this video, I'll simply guide you on how you can borrow money from Cash App, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to borrow money from Cash App, all you have to do is first of all open up Cash App. Now in order to be able to borrow money, you have to come to the home page. But you can see I don't have the option to borrow money. That is because my account is not verified. So if you want to borrow money and unlock that borrow money option, you have to verify your account and make sure that you've not borrowed it before or you've already paid off the loan that you took before, because in case you don't have it, that could be a couple of reasons why it is missing. So first of all, to begin verifying our account, I'll just tap on the add cash button. Then I'll just select the amount of money I want to add. Then once I've done that, it will basically ask me to continue to verify to using Cash App, right? So I'll just tap and continue. Only after you've verified identity, when you come back to that specific page, you'll be able to find the option called borrow money, and then you'll be able to apply for a loan. That is it on how you can borrow money from Cash App. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any questions though, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.